has training, knowledge, experience, certified after training with a build certificate, and authorized and has permission for this. Authorization: ISO electrical technician who will be ISO can apply low voltage electric isolation. The second type comes high voltage, above 1000 voltage alternating current. In this too, the same electrical, ISO or electrical, your technician will be authorized to come and isolate the supply of low voltage or high voltage electric equipment. Proving the effectiveness and integrity of isolation. How will we ensure the effectiveness of any isolation? Prove it. So what is the first thing? Integrity of isolation hardware, the material from which you are doing isolation. What is it made of? Approved material should be used. Adequacy of the arrangements. You should have measurements before putting the blind. Which gasket to use, which bolts to use, how much torque to keep, what will be its quantity and strength. All things should be arranged beforehand so that when you do isolation, you can perform a good action according to proper arrangement. It will base on how authentic your isolation is, how effective it is. The next point is proving and monitoring of isolation. When we have done isolation, how do we test it? So the first point we have is opening of the bleed vent or drain valve. If we have a drain valve ahead of isolation, we can simply open it and do pressure testing from there to see if any material is coming, if any supply is running, whether it is properly isolated or not. Next we have pressure build-up test. We have gauges installed from which we can check the pressure build-up behind, and the pressure ahead should be 0. If pressure is showing, it means our isolation is not ensured there, our isolation is not effective. Similarly, if we talk about electric isolation, whatever our electric circuit will be, equipment component, anything, we will be able to ensure it by manually operating it. If it is operating, it means our isolation is not effective, our isolation is not proved. If it is not operating, then we have done its physical examination, ensured zero energy demonstration, confirming that our effectiveness, our isolation is effective. Lockout, tag out. One of the most important topics in energy isolation is whenever we need to isolate something, whether it's electric, mechanical, PODI or any type of process energy, we need to place a lock there.